My name's Lyndon Drake, and I'm the operational lead for the Oxford collaboration on Theology and Artificial Intelligence. In day one of the workshop, we thought hard about the components that would feed into an Oxford oath for AI practitioners. And for most of today, we've been working on what the text of that oath would consist of. And we've put it in two parts. One is a preamble, which describes some of the things that we think people will hold in common about AI in our communities and in our world. And then we moved on from that to commitments that we hope that AI practitioners and users will make for AI systems. One of the real highlights of this day has been being able to bring in the expertise of actual AI engineers. These are people who work day to day with machine learning systems and other kinds of AI systems. They're dealing with the nitty-gritty details of how these systems are built, implemented, deployed, and used. Those AI engineers have been able to reflect on the draft text of the oath and feed back to us those points which we ought to attend to so that the oath can be used. We've also then been able to draw on the expertise of policymakers and a wide range of other people who are involved in the use of AI to further reflect and refine on the oath. We're then going to take it to a process of iteration. We're going to think about how to develop this, to test it with more groups of people. We're going to think about the communities in which this oath might be professed and how they'll relate to each other. And we're also going to think about this as a sparking off point for a bigger process of theological and wider reflection on what it means to use AI well and for the benefit of humanity and the world. We're very optimistic about where this will go, and we've been really encouraged by this wonderful 2 days that we've shared together.